Hey everyone, and welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. Thanks for joining us again.
Today's episode tackles a real part of life: problems, stress, and difficult decisions.
That's right. Sometimes life feels easy, but sometimes everything happens at once. Work problems, big decisions, small annoyances. It can feel overwhelming.
Today we'll show you the English you need to talk about those moments. Here's how it works. First, listen to a short conversation between friends Emma and Josh. They'll use real, everyday phrases about stress, confusion, and tough choices. After, Tom and I will explain each phrase slowly, with examples and personal stories.
Remember, don't worry if you miss anything. Pause, rewind, and listen again. Ready to hear Emma and Josh's difficult week? Let's listen.
Honestly, my brain is a total mess today. I feel like I'm in a muddle. Nothing's clear. Everything feels mixed up.
Oh no, what happened? Work?
Work and life. I'm facing a huge dilemma. 2 job offers, both good in different ways, but I can't decide.
Wow. What are they like?
One pays well, big company, fancy office, but the work sounds boring, spreadsheets all day. The other is amazing, planning events, traveling, but lower pay. So now, money or passion, stability or happiness.
Classic dilemma. Hard. And your current job?
They keep piling on tasks. No extra pay or help. I feel in a tight corner, like I can't move without problems.
Horrible. Small problems, losing keys or missing a bus, are mildly irritating, but this sounds intensely annoying. Stress that stays with you all day.
Exactly. Tiny things make me crazy now. Someone left dirty dishes, I almost cried. My patience is gone. Sometimes I just want to take a back seat and let someone else handle the mess.
That's okay. You don't always have to be in charge. Stepping back helps you breathe.
True, ... I'm trying to stay positive. Maybe I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. This crazy time might end soon.
It will, but decide soon or you might come to a dead end. Lose both offers and stay stuck.
My fear exactly. First step, get to the bottom of things. Ask hard questions. Talk to current employees. Find the real truth about both jobs.
Good idea. Also, get a grasp of what matters most. More money but bored, or less money but excited.
Once I understand what my heart wants, the decision will be easier. Talking helped. My brain's still muddled, but I see a way forward now.
You're doing right. Take time, ask questions, listen to yourself. You're stronger and smarter than you think.
Thanks. I needed that today.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
Poor Emma. So much stress and big decisions. But great. We heard useful phrases.
Exactly. Now let's break them down.
First, in a muddle. It means your mind feels messy and confused, not just busy. Like when thoughts and tasks fly everywhere and you can't decide what's important. When I moved cities, I was in a muddle for weeks. Once I walked in circles for an hour looking for a supermarket.
Me too. On my first teaching job, I wore 2 different shoes to class. My students noticed before I did. Your body moves, but your brain lags. It doesn't mean you're lazy. Life just gave you too much at once.
It happens to everyone. Use it naturally. I'm in a muddle. Where do I start? Or she's in a muddle with 5 deadlines. It's friendlier than I'm confused.
Next, facing a dilemma. It's not one good versus one bad choice. Both options have pros and cons, making it hard to decide, like choosing between a job abroad or staying near family.
I face this finishing university. London job, impressive, versus hometown job, family time. I cried. Whatever I chose, I'd miss something.
When I moved abroad to teach, my heart and head disagreed. Pros, cons, lists didn't help. Advice doesn't always work. You live with the choice. I'm facing a dilemma about moving, or simply, I'm in a dilemma.
Now in a tight corner. Feeling trapped. No easy way out. Early in my career, my boss gave me 2 impossible same-day tasks. I felt alone, with no rescue.
Like when I scratched my friend's bike. Tell him and risk anger or secretly fix it. Both choices felt bad. Or promising 2 friends help at the same time. Guilty and trapped.
It brings stress, guilt, and pressure. Examples. I'm in a tight corner with 2 deadlines, or he was in a tight corner after losing his passport. Just saying the phrase helps others understand.
Next, mildly irritating versus intensely annoying. Spilling coffee on your shirt? Mildly irritating. But your neighbor's 2 a.m. loud music every night? After 3 nights, that's intensely annoying. I bought earplugs.
My uni housemate left dishes for days. At first, mildly irritating, then intensely annoying. No space to cook. It shifts from, oh well, to, this is driving me crazy.
Take a back seat. Stop leading. Let others control. Not laziness, just needing rest or trusting others. When I planned a family party, I tried to do everything. Stress ruined the fun. So I took a back seat, just helped where needed. The party improved.
In a group project, I managed everything until stress made me cranky. I took a back seat, let another lead, and everything smoothed out. It means I'm letting others lead now.
See the light at the end of the tunnel. Hope in hard times. During my master's, with exams and essays, I barely slept. Near the semester's end, I saw the light. Summer was close.
When saving to travel, I worked 2 jobs for months. Seeing my savings almost full, that light gave me energy. Use it. After job hunting, I got an interview. I see the light.
Come to a dead end, no way forward. Like organizing a student trip, then visa rules changed. Game over. Or learning to code until I realized it wasn't for me.
It's not failure, just a wrong path. Say, we came to a dead end in the relationship, or the project reached a dead end. It's sad, but means find a new road.
Get to the bottom of things. Find the real cause. My team's project got bad marks. We blamed the teacher. Finally, we got to the bottom. We'd missed small details. Fixed it, grades rose.
When students skipped class, we got to the bottom. Bus schedules changed. We set up carpooling. Without investigating, we'd blame laziness. Say, I'm finding the truth.
Last, get a grasp of. Fully understand something blurry. Learning to drive? At first, pedals, mirrors, signs, total confusion. Weeks later, I got a grasp and thought, I can do this.
Teaching English grammar felt impossible until I taught real students. Then I got a grasp and felt confident. It takes time. Say, I'm getting a grasp on my new job, or he needs to get a grasp of basics. That brings us to the end. We hope you enjoyed these powerful expressions.
Thanks for being with us. Until next time, keep practicing, smiling, and learning. This is English Unleashed, your space to grow with real, natural English. See you next time.